It's currently 10 a.m. so almost 11. We had a maza yesterday. Oh, I'm so tired. I won't lie. How did you enjoy your night, Nicole?
10 out of 10.
The vibes were there. We were having a good time. Bro, it was 10 out of 10. So we are grocery shopping because we're gonna have a braai with like my family. Baby. Making lunch for my family. Hungry, you stop. What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Bye. Illumination. Everything is just so good. Mozambican household.
You won't catch me lacking.
Chicken? Girl, don't finish. I got you. Happy Easter. Mo, cameraman.
Wait.
Happy Easter. One more.
Yeah,
for your
sure.
head.
Yeah.
Talk for yourself. Thank you. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, Zach. Thank you. Coca-Cola Light. I made Fanta Orange. Coca-Cola. How is it?
Not bad, but like, you know.
It tastes like Fanta orange.
And knock off. It tastes like.
Tastes like Fanta Orange.
Too good, too good.
Miranda.
I'm nostalgic towards the other day.
Vindo.
About
Yo.
When you go to steak in the you pick the biggest.
popcorn and slash everything.
Bro, for real. That one I was
Then
there.
you give me the movie.
Then you ask
Yo.
him to please mix all the slashy colors. Then go to
Thanks.
Then go to
all the
Mr.
suits.
Then go to CNA to do shopping.
And if we went to Bedford, we'd go to a cafe.
Yo, for
If you are flirting with your friend, it's cheating.
Yes, for sure.
Why are you flirting? You
But
want something to come out of it.
nah,
Where?
Now
Nah,
imagine.
I don't agree, bruh.
Imagine
Uh,
that her male friend is flirting with her, or she's flirting
And she's
with her male
entertaining
friend.
it. Would you like it?
Bruh.
Exactly. Would you claim a hand that entertains other niggas?
It's her on her if she entertains that. She know if she loses me, it's her loss, bruh.
But
Yeah.
how will she
Her loss.
lose you?
Exactly, because I don't care. Me, I won't be there.
Okay, fine. Then for you, that's not cheating. But for other people, it's cheating.
Bruh, okay, flirting how? It depends how.
Flirting is for what? Tell me what is
Bruh,
flirting?
what if they just friends for long? Like maybe.
No, I'm talking about flirting. I'm not talking about talking. There's a difference between talking and flirting.
Yes.
If you're talking normally, it's fine.
What is
No, what
flirting?
is normal?
What is flirting?
What is
Talking about
normal?
no
What is
talking.
flirting?
What's flirting?
What's flirting?
No, you're like taking me, guys.
No, tell us so we can understand.
I know I look scrappy right now, and I'm so tired, and I think I'm getting sick. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. I love y'all. Thank you for the support. Out.
Good morning, everyone. I hope that everyone is okay. As I predicted, I am sick. My head hurts a lot, and my throat is like scratchy. Not that great, but we move now. Just going to rest, and my cousin is making me a ginger and lemon shot. Good morning, everyone. I'm still sick, but I have to go to work. I'll see y'all there. Y'all, I feel so sore and so... Yeah. I feel like my body needs rest. Yeah, a lot is going on. But anyways, I'm headed to work right now. It's currently 5:53 and I'm gonna be late, but yo. So y'all, I did a lot of prep, but I wasn't able to show because I'm not feeling well. But I had a whole list. I made a raspberry curd, potato fries, and the list is long. But yeah, I'm not feeling well. So I don't know. I think I'm just gonna vlog tomorrow. Not so good of a morning. As y'all can see, I'm dying. Yes, sus. Every part of my body hurts. This flu is insane. I just want to sleep and tuck myself in blankets, but I can't because I have a fever. Otherwise, it's gonna get worse. I'm telling you, Cocoa Pops that look like Rice Krispies but chocolate flavored. Y'all know what I'm talking about.
Rice Krispies, you mean?
Yes,
What do Cocoa
but
Pops
Cocoa,
come?
it's Cocoa Pops brand.
So Kellogg's.
But it says Cocoa Pops.
Isn't Cocoa Pops Kellogg's? If it's Kellogg's, then it's
Yes.
Kellogg's, right?
I think so.
Why are you saying Cocoa Pops?
But it does say Cocoa Pops and everything.
No.
You are a Cocoa Pop.
Bruh. Gotta learn how to drive in the rocket, bro. Ay. I told you what, but wallah. It's just the way it is.
Hello vlog. We're so excited to be here today. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? This is my baby. We're gonna make some brunch because I was sick. I've been sick. Haven't been here for a long time. But yeah, I'm back now. Hi, I'm unboxing my facial steamer that I got today from Clicks. Clicks should sponsor this video. Come on. I'm still sick. I needed this to like steam. Alright. Oh, it's so light. This is like the plug. So the plug, of course. And then there is a measuring cup. And then you have the machine itself. Steamer. Put eucalyptus oil in here, bigs, and water. Now I'm gonna steam.
I forgot what the blanket was for.
Bruh. Just too clingy.